Top headlines. Take all stakeholders on board before signing Naga Pact, demands MPCC. Centre NSCNIM meeting held in New Delhi. Talks with NNPGs tomorrow. And Fayeng to be made model village under SAGY and PMAGY. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Congress Legislative Party CLP today submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah through the Governor of Manipur Najma Heptullah pertaining to the Indo-Naga Peace Accord. The team headed by CLP leader O. Ibobi handed over the memorandum to the Governor at the Raj Bhavan. Ibobi told media that Congress will take up agitation if the centre ignores the sentiment of the people in its efforts to resolve the vexed Naga problem. CLP leader O. Ibobi, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC President M. Okendro, Congress Working Committee member Gai Khangam, MLAs, former MLAs and other political leaders were present during the meeting with the Governor. The meeting lasted for around 50 minutes. O. Ibobi said that due to the restive situation in the state, the party is unable to meet the Prime Minister and the Home Minister in New Delhi for the time being. Ibobi added that they welcome the peace parleys between the Government of India and NSCNIM and Naga national political groups, which is going to sign a final pact, but the party will not accept disrupting the integrity of the state in the process. He demanded that the centre take all stakeholders on board before finalizing the peace deal.
Congress Party na naitom chatna moina hana credit launaba taure hai khidra haidra akoi state government na sinbirakani haina khoi ngai leibani adubu hujik pawi sinbidrabani na akoi ngasi asi honorable prime minister da memorandum ama submit tawduna copy to honorable home minister da copy to adu khoi honorable governor da akoi madugi memorandum du pisan jarubani adu manasu khudakta ikoi mari leinaba honorable prime minister da home minister da communicate taw khrani khudakta akoina thamjari wafam singru thamgrani haidana takpirei 31st the government of India na with determination amaga loina na khoi hana haido khibani haidana tawba tarasu or kitang chontharaga tawba taragasu Nagaland di khoi kasu problem naite adu Manipur da chu ngarang ju thamjari bidoni akoi singilam akoi Manipuri maktani Manipuri ukhul loiro senapati oiro tamenglong oiro akoi hek leiriba masi akoi Manipuri leiminari si ko akoi Manipuri ngaktani Manipuri lamni masi saukhatna na ba na economic package pibada akoi karigumba mata akoi harau godamni akoi ni hena welcome tawgodamni aba tawgodabu madu akoi gi Manipuri apun masaktam kairakna na ba maru hunbadawna tawbadudi akoi yaba sukngam ngamoy haidana akoi hanasu dum haijadana lakpani adu hojiksu akoi mari leinabada honorable prime minister da home minister da akoi madugi memorandum pirubani adu masigi outcome se akoi yengba tai adu makha taba moina yamna appropriate Manipur gi interest ta kairoi doba response tawraktraba adu oiba tardi akoi makha taba series of action haigadra kari haini akoi akoi party gi oiba program kaya ma akoi chatharakani.
Government of India representative and interlocutor for Naga peace talks Arun Ravi and NSCNIM delegation led by Ato Kolinsar and Chief Negotiator T.H. Muiva today sat for a crucial meeting in New Delhi. Monday's meeting is likely to be the final meeting before the 3-month deadline set by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to conclude the negotiation expires on October 31st. Government of India and NSCNIM have not been able to amicably settle the latter's demand for separate Naga national flag and constitution. Since then, NSCNIM through its MIP, has issued several press statements condemning Government of India's, particularly the interlocutor, approach in handling the group's demand for separate Naga national flag and constitution. To resolve this contentious issue, Ravi and NSC and IM, led by TH Muva, have led series of meetings till October 24 with no positive outcome. After October 28 Monday meeting with NSC and IM, the interlocutor will meet Working Committee of Naga National Political Groups (NNPGs) led by its convener and Kitovir Zimomi on October 29th in New Delhi. Depending on the outcome of October 28th and October 29th crucial meetings, Ravi is likely to convene a joint meeting with both the negotiating parties NACN and NNPGs, where he is expected to work out modalities for all negotiating parties to jointly sign the final agreement. At present, there are 8 NPGs in the peace process, namely NACN, GPR and IM. The group has been negotiating for over 22 years, and GPRN, NSCN, NSCN, GPRN, K, NSCN Reformation, NNC, FGN, NNC, NGPN, NNC, GDRN and NNC parent body. As part of the alert protest spearheaded by the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, women volunteers of the committee staged a protest rally in Imphal. The demonstration started from Chekon. It marched through Palace Gate but was stopped by a large number of security personnel at Sanjentong near the CM bungalow, where a scuffle ensued between the security forces and the women folk. But 9 representatives from the protesting women were later allowed to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister and the Governor.
I Manipur Kaheloi, the higher Kanda, Hujikumina, Lonam Taurakanda, a Manipur do Kai Nenabat Oraba. I quite Manipur gi Apamba, Timmy Tami, I quite Apamba, Moina Pajana Haida Abadi, Narianda was you welcome Togani, Karigumba, Mana quite kind about, is she now, I am the kind about Odi, Lamdamashe, Pauna Popo, Lamdamni, I quite Shivaki Dabani, Ilamdam Kaidi, I quite Hawaii and Pontawa Gata, Taurakani, Aduna, Pajana Mana, quite Ilamdam chair, is she now, Punamashi Kai, then about Pajana Shambi, I have a weapon this Amjari.
Bharat Sarkar Marai Ani Long Suya Roy, Prime Minister. Marai Ani Long Patargade. Manipur ki iman sing na Manipur ki damakta lepi hai bache ngasi di thami
Manipur ki karim ta sohloi de hai ba aduga ngamkhai da sohandraga laiminari ba khoi gi Manipur hai ba lam hi laiminari ba khoi phurup kaya na khundari ba pham sida masung tara thonga thugai rakwa taragadi madu akhoi na khang na leiba ngamoi akhoi dia gome gin mayok ta siba sangba khangna khongjang changchan gani hai ba pham si thamjang
waroi salama porakan na dia gome NSM yanaba malae masida karigumba NSM baro sarkar na karigumba yana khraba akhoi Manipur saktam je karigumba kai darba kalaroi haragadi akhoi khongjang je changjal karigumba Manipur gi saktam jida kaina na wa yaura gadi ai koi COCOMI na changjal ba khongjang singmi tami yauna apun ba akoi gi Manipur saktam kai ba yaroi hai ba gi khongjang ja jun 18 da gi he na koi kan ba sapu changjang gani.
Rajya Sabha MP K. Bhavananda launched a program for Phayeng Gram Panchayat to make Phayeng a model village under Samsad Adarsh Gram Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana. The program was launched at the Phayeng Community Hall. It was organized by District Rural Development Agency, Imphal, Manipur. The event witnessed presentation of cultural items and a friendly football match between United Sporting Club and Phayeng FC. During the program, Rajya Sabha PM K. Bhavananda said that for attaining all-round development, politics is a great tool, adding that politicians need to have the spirit of serving the people. But today, many politicians misuse their opportunities and manipulate the power, he regretted. The MP asserted that if such practices continue, we cannot achieve total development. He further said that public should understand their responsibilities in the society and be sincere in executing duties.
Phayeng kari priority lokot kadagi habdu jo koi khanbu mathok tai adu mayam na macha khaina khando kanda khana Phayeng da kari hanu paikachige immediately khana saka dagi ju ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯅꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗꯨ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅೋ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯋꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯊꯣꯠ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯉꯩꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯑꯣꯏ.
Fayeng Gram Panchayat Pradhan A. Shyamashakhi said that the public need to play a vital role in making the modern village project a grand success. She also reminded the elected members to understand their responsibilities. She also appealed to every individuals, social groups and local clubs at Fayeng to cooperate and extend their support to make a better society.
Mama pa leitraba dumba khungang amagumaina leiramba khungang si hojik akoibu nakon binaba ipa ama thogla abanina hojikti akoigi manglandu mangphaunarani thabak tawbigidoriba koi miyoi singna Fayeng Gram Panchayat bu nungsibiraga Fayeng si model village ama oibada achau mateng pangbiu haiba wafam si thamjage.
Diwali, the festival of lights, is being celebrated in Manipur today. Crowds made a beeline to the markets, including famous Imphal Khwairamband Ima market, to shop some of the best decorative items ahead of Diwali and also gifts for Ningol Chakauba, one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren conveyed his warm greetings and good wishes to the people of Manipur on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakauba Festival 2019. The CM said in his message that Ningol Chakauba is one of the biggest festivals of Manipur, which celebrates the unbreakable bond of love between brothers and sisters, which reinforces the parental care and affection for married daughters. Though the festival is originally observed by the Meitei community, the celebration is now extended to other communities in Manipur. The festival promotes the feeling of harmonious social life by including in partaking of common feast, gifting and blessings, he added. The Chief Minister also appealed to the people to imbibe the ideals of the festival of Ningol Chakauba to foster the spirit of amity, harmony and goodwill in everyone's lives. Mahud Minister T. H. Shyamkumar has also extended his warmest greeting and good wishes to the people of Manipur, especially to the women folk on the joyous occasion of Ningol Chakauba Festival 2019. He said the festival strengthens the bond of love and affection between brothers and sisters. He said the bond of love and peace among various communities will be revived with the Ningol Chakauba Festival. Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up next, MP Dr. R. K. Ranjan and PB Acharya interact with Ayushman Bharat card holders. More after the break.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakauba. Ningol Chakauba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lerak Machin, natraga, ekoigi phone number 6909126615, natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today interacted with the beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat at his residence. Former Governor of Nagaland, P.B. Acharya, who was present at the event, wished for a prosperous Manipur and a peaceful solution to the Naga political problem. BJP Manipur Pradesh President in charge Salam Joy was also present during the event. The interaction was held on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's instruction given to all the MPs. Ayushman Bharat card holders attended the interaction program.
Makada lying bagi satpa matamda kudong chadaba hospital da thegnaba awaba singado madusu aikoi Bharatiya Janata Party gi state asida leiriba unit asigi khoi gi worker khudingmakta pau tambiraga mapungena Bharatiya Janata Party gi serious workers sing da haibiraga madugi awara pa do aikoi na chenjage haibase ngasigi mayam gi breakfast to numisida Pongdok Sari Shanti say Koi Punamagna support Toba, Manipur territorial integrity su Kahendaba, Levak Prazagi, Mipa Nabasula Hendaba, Adumayam Ing Chikba, Modi Jina Pamjaba, Northeast India say, a Koi Punamagna Sigi Numisidagi, a Koi Wakalda Amambale Rambado, Mado di Pabaligi, Mangal Sinai Koi Singal Laga, Santi Purakpa, I could ing a signal Laminaba, Jati Masen Nungsinaba, Hibado, Nasigi Numida Sidagi, Oirasi, Haidanai, Miamda.
P.B. Acharya also wished a very happy Diwali to the people of Manipur. He expressed happiness to interact with the talented people of the state and also with the Ayushman Bharat card holders. Acharya hoped that the Indo-Naga peace talks would end with a peaceful final solution without disturbing the territorial integrity of Manipur. He asserted that every individual has the right to enjoy freedom.
31st October, it is a political issue. There is a government has given a ultimatum to all the underground people, especially in Nagaland. The governor of Nagaland and our interlocutor and present governor has done a wonderful job. I hope there will be peace without disturbing the integrity of Manipur. And it is just possible. All of us are Indians and we should think wherever our people are there, they should be respected and they should have an opportunity to enjoy all the benefits of independence. That should be the goal. Territory should come to us, should not be there that way. We are thinking wherever the Manipuri people are there, whether in Delhi or here or the outside, our goal should be, government goal should be, they should have an equal, respectful life like others. So also Nagas, wherever the Nagas are there, whether in Manipur or here or there in Assam, the ultimate goal should be the welfare of the people, and I hope this will be immediately in no way minimizing the effect of the respectability of the Nagas. Modi will act on that. So let us realize and be the nodal agent to convert Modi's dreams to strengthen Northeast in the future, in the near future.
State level Good Committee Manipur has extended warm greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Good 2019, which will be held on November 1st at 1st Manipur Rifles Ground, Imphal. The committee welcomes to all to join the one-day festival event featuring cultural dances in the noon session and Miss Good Beauty pageant and modern musical entertainment in the evening. The committee also appealed to all concerned not to call any bandh or launch protest that may disrupt the state-level Good programs and preparations for the same. Spastic Society of Manipur and Moirang Kendra Progressive Front jointly organized a hearing aid distribution program at Philem Lekai Moirang today. Social worker Thongam Shanti, who was present at the event, said hearing aids were distributed to 30 deaf individuals. Secretary of Spastic Society of Manipur, L. Ricky, and Director Dr. Sahana Raj were the main guests during the program.
Na tawda yamna waraba family ga ma dibaru pangsing po pongnawda yamna pendaba amadi pungin nuai to pongba kya do masidagi madugumigi pongindagi tanjadu ayebdagi maran kena ko pan lawjaraga akoi kunai sida koi manaba kunai mo porpogi wakalon ni da bakoi to akoi gi narasta tilhandwa ya de hebigi wakalon ni da.
Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board concluded a state-level Prime Minister Employment Generation Program Exhibition 2019 at the board complex, Lamphilpha today. Speaking at the closing function, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand stated that Khadi plays a significant role in making Manipur a self-sufficient economy. He expressed happiness that Khadi board has become active in the recent years unlike before. As a result, many entrepreneurs have emerged, Khemchand said. He also recalled the Khadi movement.
Gandhi ji na luchingba adumba movement da we Khadi ga chobu movement wala kibudu yam chumba phamne madu Manipur da su ngasi self sufficient economy ama pukana bo hana bada we Khadi gi choba role ma laigani masina state ki economy da choba we kana bigani na thamjara ganda sagi mayam ma da highway ado productivity meeting panjara
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯐꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯐꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯪꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯆꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯐꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯪ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏ
18th Foundation Day of UNESCO Group was today observed at UNESCO Campus, Maitram. MP R.K. Ranjan, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, MLA A. Subhash Chandra and Managing Director of UNESCO Group N. Irabanta were present at the occasion. As a part of the function, Education Minister Radheshyam unveiled the foundation stone of a UNESCO hostel at Maitram. Speaking at the function, MP R.K. Ranjan said that there is a clear-cut system for education at the grassroots level. Sainik system is one of them, he noted. Dr. R.K. Ranjan highlighted on the need for students to have a vibrant concept from the early age rather than studying just for the sake of study. He stressed that children must have a sense of competitiveness.
Education system changing circumstances of the globe asi yenga kari hapchen bin bage habse mayamda dum akoi tawduna leirabani aduna mayam so sigi opinion se pbu hojik chali ba trend of education system chidagi changing global scenario si urga koi kari hapchen bin bage habse mayamda so opinion do pina na bagi website ta hojik loina leirabani marak sida aikoina amakha classified tawba yai maruena secondary education sida hoi higher education da so aikoina yengbadi yai government private and mission school ahum sigi goal aduga moida target tawribse masi aikoi kupna yengba ma sangi.
Marungphung is a hamlet in Ukhrul district situated about 145 km away from the state capital Imphal. It has only 70 households and a population of around 380. An exclusive report brought to you by TOMTV on Saturday under the heading Availability of Local Salt Considerably Reduced in Manipur Due to Government Negligence should be read as Marungphung is a village in Ukhrul district. The error is regretted. We have another short commercial break, but do stay tuned for more news.
Special Ningol Chakuba and Diwali offers. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors Airport Road, Khari, near Comprehensive Concept School, Imphal, or contact us at 9366 508 258.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chakobana Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Fawa Chada Kuntra discount Pizabi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name. Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee, Fanik Nachingba Makal Suna Fangbiragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Gari Makalekai near Pakang Baford. Contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
amta khamo Hey Lola nang phone yaw bra yaw we lamjing ba kep kau ne apang ai kau tu re Manipuri ahan ba 24/7 service oiriba lamjing ba kep service namyang gi seva tawjari
Manipur ki district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na luhongba amadi atay thodok sing gisu discount pijari ningol chakau bagidamak akhanaba hour package discount pijari ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gidamak lamjing ba cab service nagamapal rims road near Nityananda temple.
Welcome back. Assam Pradesh Congress Committee President Ripun Bora hit back at Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. Bora was critical of Sonowal's declaration that anybody having more than 2 children will not be entitled to government jobs. Bora said nobody can impose the 2-child policy on anyone in a democratic country. Bora, a Rajya Sabha member, on Sunday criticized Assam Cabinet's latest decision to deprive people having more than 2 children of government jobs from January 1st, 2021. The excess water released from an NEEP CO-operated Kopi hydroelectric project in Dimaso district and incessant rain since last Thursday resulted into flash flood and disrupted normal life in some places of Hojai district. The overflowing water of the Kopili river has inundated many villages of Hojai district like Kumrakata, Raikata, Thaplaguri, Kanduguri, Nobhanga and many other villages. It has also destroyed standing crops in huge quantity. In Kumrakata, the main road connecting Hojai and West Karbi Anglong is completely flooded. Locals are using ferry service to move between villages. The historic Nabhanga Kali temple is also inundated in flash flood. The 2-year-old boy who is trapped in a borewell in Tamil Nadu's Trichy since Friday has fainted, authorities said last night, as per media reports. Sujit, who was initially trapped at a depth of 26 feet, fell down to a height of 70 feet after the rescuers tried to pull him. The rescue team is reportedly digging 1-meter-wide tunnel parallel to the borewell to reach him and rescue the boy. The rescue team is taking measures to prevent the child from falling further deep. The boy, who is without food and water, is being supplied with water, but he is not responding to calls now. Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister O. Paneerselvam had reached the spot and met Sujit's family. The air quality in the national capital turned hazardous this morning, day after revelers defied the Supreme Court and enforced 2-hour limit for bursting crackers on Diwali. Ear-deafening booms, toxic smoke and ash from firecrackers filled the air as the overall air quality index crossed the severe mark at many places, as per a report. People reported violation of the 2-hour window in Malviya Nagar, Lajpat Nagar, Kailash Hills, Burari, Jangpura, Shadara, Lakshmi Nagar, Mayur Vihar, Sarita Vihar, Harinagar, New Friends Colony, Dwarka, among other places. At 7 a.m. today, Delhi's overall air quality index stood at 506 according to government's air quality monitor. Residents in Noida, Gurgaon and Ghaziabad also reported extensive fireworks much beyond the time frame. Now we have the sports news. The 3-month fitness trainer certificate course began at Lifestyle Fitness Gym today. MLA of Bishnupur Kendra Govindas Konthaujam, chairman of SP Group, Sanglakpam Preshio Jyoti Sharma, president of AMMBA, Anki Ratan and advisor N. Gojendra attended the function. Chairman Preshojit Sharma said that the trainer course is organized to promote fitness. He added that joining a fitness gym does not mean we are fit. Gojendra said that a healthy body leads to a peaceful mind.
Akoina samajsi ahansing hawjikoramasi makha tabagi akoina khongthang sembiramimne haidana akoina afaba torome lakadriba generation sigi afaba oidorimni akoina phataba torome lakadriba generation sigi akoina phataba lambi ohendori moi da awa pidori aduna Manipur bo mai ngaktana mai Manipur gi mai poriba Manipur represent tawga mapan da body building satliba esinau sida akoina mateng khar tawjabni.
Roger Federer clinched a record-extending 10th Swiss Indoors Championship title in his hometown of Basel with a crushing 6-2, 6-2 victory over Australia's Alex de Minaur yesterday. The 38-year-old Swiss has now won 103 singles titles in his career, and the record win in Basel was the second time he had won a tournament 10 times after achieving the feat in Halle in June. Federer converted 4 of 10 break points and did not drop serve to wrap up the match in 68 minutes for his 4th title of the year after wins in Dubai, Miami and Halle. Federer and de Minaur traded blows with long baseline exchanges early in the match, including an absorbing 39-shot rally when Federer led 2-1 before the Swiss stepped up a gear to break his opponent twice and take the opening set. Federer was ruthless on his serve and retained his momentum and intensity in the second set, moving into a 3-0 lead after winning 5 games in a row before de Minaur held. Now let's have a look at the top news headlines. Take all stakeholders on board before signing Naga Pact, demands MPCC. Centre NSC and IM meeting held in New Delhi talks with NNPGs tomorrow. And Fayeng to be made model village under SAGY and PMAGY. This is all we have for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.